everyone, and thanks for joining me today. The postman did come yesterday. Yesterday was Sunday, and I've never known Royal Mail deliver on a Sunday. Well, they did. They delivered on Sunday. I wasn't able to put the videos up yesterday, so I've got yesterday's today and today's that have come I'll put up tomorrow, so we'll play catch up anyway. So let me show you what wonderful goodies came in the post for the Crafting for the Heroes. And for those of you that don't know about our group, all of the information will be in the description below. So hi to all my group members, hi to all my YouTube subbies. I hope you're all well. Right, okay, let me show you what's in here. So these are from the lovely Carolyn Fielding, and these came yesterday. Look at these. Oh, look at the little cap thing here. Look at this. Oh, this is just adorable. This is like a flip. Let me move this out of the way. Look at this, a little flip like album, and it's got these little, oh, it's all decorated all cute, and it's got cats on, this one has, and you've got a little tag in each. Oh, love, look at the little pussycats. I've got little charms on it. And then I won't open that because I opened it earlier and I didn't want to mess it up putting it back together, but you open that out and it opens out, so you've got a little place to tuck something in, a little secret something. So isn't that cute? What a lovely gift. Look at that. It's just, let me see if I can zoom in actually. It might make it a bit better. There you go. That is just adorable, isn't it? This lovely little flip album there. And then this cute oh, wrong way round. Oh, it's all tissue paper. Stop it, Charles. It's like, oh, just love the feel of tissue paper when it has been put onto something. It just, oh, look at this. Oh, this is, look, there's so much going on in here. Look, there's a, oh, I love that ribbon on there. Little butterflies on that tag. That, oh my gosh, these that, do you know, I just love. Oh my goodness me, look at just, I mean, oh, you just love touching these sort of the feel, that sounded really wrong, you know what I mean, the feel of these. Oh, just, it just all feels so scrumptious, and there's so much to look at in here. Look, there is so much going on in a good way. And then you've got another tag there, and then this opens up. And then that's fixed on there too. I think that's a little booklet. Oh, that is just, that is delicious. Oh my goodness me. I love it. Oh, see, now I want to get making these things. I'm getting so sidetracked because every time I see gorgeous things arrive, I want to try them out. I'm like, oh, let me just tie this up. So sorry. I want to try all these. Oh, hang on. I want to try to make some of these things because they're all just so gorgeous. Trust me to not be able to get this done up again. Hang on. Sorry, guys. You know what I'm like with bows. I am pants with bows. Oh, we did it. Right, we've done it. And then there is this cute little like a accordion album, and this is just beautiful. It's got a little pocket there, and oh, you've got, oh, look at the little tickets. Oh, that is so cute. Look. Oh, how cute and adorable are they? And then you've got a little notepad there. Oh, this is yummy as well. Oh, that is just beautiful. So we've got this gorgeous flip album as well. Oops. Oh, just such beautiful things that you guys are sending in. And then she's put some little bits of ephemera in here to oh, they're cute. How did you do that? Oh, it's goes on the side of a page. Where are we? Like a paper clip, but it's a covered one, so you can't see the paper clip. How? I want to see how you've done it. Oh, look, you can actually see she's put half of the clip in there. Aren't they cute? Oh, I really like them. Oh no, I've not bent it back. Let me just bent it back for you. Aren't they just adorable? And then it just goes on like that. And there's a few of them. Look, aren't they just... They are super cute. Charles, they are just adorable. So she's put in a couple of those, 4 of those, and then there's a cute little window envelope with a tag here. That's just lovely to go in the journal. And then there's 2 of these. If I can get them open. These are really cute as well. And you just open them out, and aren't they lovely? They're like double-sided. So you've got a lovely picture on one side, then some lined paper, and then she's got a brad, and she's sewn all the way around it, and then done it up. Oh, I just love it. These are gorgeous. So she's put a couple of those in as well, which could really be cute in journals. I won't open that one. So thank you so much, Carolyn. I love everything. Just so beautiful. I will be adding up the gifts. So the 93 was yesterday, up to yesterday. These have not, anything from now on have not been added onto our total yet, but I will be adding them on either later on today or tomorrow. Right, okay, so, and then the next parcel that came is from the lovely Angela Wilson. And just these things are in here. Look, I love the jiffy bag as well. It's all sparkly. Wait to see what's in here. So she's put some lovely, I'll show you those in a minute, some lovely ephemera and tags and gorgeous. These are napkin little tags. Aren't they just gorgeous? And little pockets, like a little pocket there. And these are just, oh, look at these little envelopes she's made. Oh, they're just so dinky, done with napkins. Oh, just love the feel of these. And some tags, and I love these little cute envelopes. They are just too cute. I love them. Don't they look lovely with the, oh, I need to get my napkins out. It's not even funny. I'm going to be so sidetracked, honestly. Lots of lovely envelopes. I love these. What I've done is I have a container, and with all the pieces of ephemera that you've all sent in, I'm putting it in this container, and then I'm going to get my journals and just get all my bits, but I'll show you that in a video tomorrow. And then we have this lovely, gorgeous little flip book. Look, it's got coffee dyed paper, and it's got a tag in there. Oh, Charles, do you know what he's doing? He's putting his feet up there. So wait, stop it. Oh, how rude. Beautiful, beautiful. It's got a little tag and a little envelope in there. And then you've got another little tag and envelope, and then another tag there. Isn't that just, oh, let me zoom out a bit. Isn't that just beautiful? Oh, love all of these things that you're sending in. You're all so talented. Just lovely. That's gorgeous. Another little envelope. And she's put some little banners in here as well, which will be super cute to put in the journals. And then, let me just put this back in the bag so I don't lose them. And then she's, oh, look at this. This is like a little leather, or yeah, it's leather. A little leather booklet with a little birdie on. Isn't that just so cute? That is just adorable. But wait till you see these. Look at these. Now, I do not know how you have made these. I really do not. They look really complicated. Look at these beautiful flowers. I would not even know. I wouldn't even know how to even begin to make these. Aren't they just stunning? I mean, I could put them on the front of a journal, or we could put them on the gift bags. I mean, the possibilities are endless. I think they will look lovely on the front. Look at these. How on earth have you made these? I want to know. If there is a tutorial, please, especially these ones, could you please send me them? Send me the link to the... Look at this. I mean, isn't that just stunning? I have never seen such beautiful flowers. They are just delicious. So thank you so much, Angela, and thank you to Carolyn as well for the things that have been sent in. Was yesterday's. So thank you to everyone who is working so hard. I had another big box arrive from the lovely Lynn Nye, and I will be doing that video tomorrow. And I'm probably going to do it on the table like this, because when I do the live ones, I think the live ones, okay, when I'm holding up cards, but sometimes we've got other bits and pieces that, you know, you might not get to see so much on camera, if you know what I mean. So some I will do live and some I will do like this, because I do enjoy the live ones as well. So thank you to everybody, and thank you to Angela and Carolyn. If you want to join the group, please have a look in the description box below, and it will tell you more. So you've all got raffle tickets for your entries as well. I've given you all your raffle tickets and written them in my book. So if you didn't see the video yesterday for the giveaway, or just go back on my videos and you will see the video for the giveaway. I'm so sorry, he is so naughty. He's such a naughty boy. Right, I'm going. Love you guys. See you all tomorrow. Take care. Bye bye.